Hello to all my warriors out there. My name is Skylar. I'm going to do a quick little video of Pixelmon. I'm sorry you can hear something in the background. This is lagging so bad. Great. This is going to be just great, guys. Just great. And I know what I'm talking about. I am not flying. You guys still have a PC with Minecraft Pixelmon on this? The server's called PeachyCraft.net, I believe. So if you guys would like to check that out, then yeah, go ahead. I might put it in the description below, but I'm not quite sure because I'll probably forget about it because I forget about everything. So this is a late night video at like 8 something currently. And guys, this is my team. I have Jackboy, my Rayquaza, Wade, my Umbreon, Amphamal. Oh god, the lag spike. I think I'm just gonna do single player. Because what am I doing wrong? I'm not even flying. You guys see this. I am not flying. I'm done with this. One single player. Guys, that will not be in survival because I don't do survival at all. But I might do a new one and let you guys pick my starter. Whatever gets like the most likes / comments on it, that'll be my starter. So, let's go. And yes, I did make a new intro. I still might keep my outro the same as like Bye Guys. I'm still trying to think of a new outro for me. I might do I'll see all you warriors in the next video. I might do that because I actually like it. And my AC is very freaking annoying right now. And yes, I do get, and guys, I won't be able to record past 11 because my parents take the PC off me at 11. But I will not stay up all night tonight for a reason. It's what I normally do, but I'm not doing it tonight because I got no sleep. So guys, these are the starters you guys can pick from. Bulbasaur, Chikorita, Trico, Turtwig, Snivy / Snivy, Oshawott, Piplup, Mudkip, Totodile, Squirtle, Charmander, Cyndaquil, Torchic, Chimchar, and Tepig. For now, I'm just going to go with Oshawott, a simple water-type starter. Let's see what we got in this. We got nothing. I thought it's a really cute Pokemon male. Of course. So you're gonna get a ton of them. So guys, I'm picking what team I'm part of. Don't be mad at me, please. It's gonna be versus Team Magma, Aqua, Plasma, Galactic, Neo, Rocket. I just want to see what the armor looks like with me first. I know what the others look like. And yes, I did change my skin. I think I like this one. I might go with Neo. I think I might go with this one. I like it a lot. It's very bulky though. I'm not controlled as I can see. I might go with Plasma. I'm just testing these out, don't worry. I did not pick my team yet. This is very less bulky, I can see them. is what I like. I like the head for this one. I just don't like the body. My rocket fit that. I think the rocket might fit this head. Rockets are very bulky. I'm not gonna pick any team. I'll just be part of Neo. This is the head and stuff. If I had to choose between Magma and Aqua, I would go with Magma because I love fire. Shut up, Drowsy, I'm talking. Shut the I don't want to battle, mate. I don't want to battle. Screw you. Where's the Poke Center? I found the Poke Center. Guys, I'm gonna try and talk to a YouTuber over a Minecraft server that I know of. If you guys watch this guy, his name's Proxens. So if you guys would like to, go check him out. He's a really good Minecraft Pixelmon YouTuber. If you like Minecraft Pixelmon stuff and like Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, that's the person for you, because he's awesome. Trust me. And I'm not even joking on that, guys. I really hope you guys can check him out. I might put him in the description if I remember. Like I said, I can't remember a lot of things. Anyways, I'm just gonna level up my Ashwat here to level 100. What do you want that? 20? Ew. Who the heck was that? No, I swear, there's a person like right here. What you waiting for? Then somehow. The duo. Size is here. Oh my god! I never had a duo before. I don't want to do it better. I'm guessing 30 something. Yep. And yes, I did change my skin to a male. Oh my god! That is huge! Oh, that baby though. Oh, okay. I might not be teaching him the best of moves. But we have TMs. That his horn could easily kill you. By the way, I'm not using a mouse because of Z. I can't find mine. If I ever find it, then I will use the mouse. You hear a lot more clicking. This is taking forever. Subscribe. Say I'm not good with redstone stuff, so don't doubt me.